Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most unique and amazing crochet flower coasters designs. You will see very attractive patterns which are beginner friendly as well in this video, and I have uploaded many of the crochet coaster tutorial videos on my channel already. So if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos, just search out my channel and you will find crochet flower coasters pattern available on my channel already. Crochet sunflower coaster tutorial video is available on my channel, and I will put the link of that specific video in the description box of this video as well. So you can just check out the tutorial video as well. And if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos of any specific pattern which is currently not available on my channel, you can let me know in the comments as well. I will make tutorial videos on your request, so don't forget to share your opinion in the comment box and watch all of the ideas which are available in this video. So just watch this video till the end. You will find almost 35 plus ideas with unique and amazing patterns and beautiful color schemes as well. I especially like this pattern in a very attractive and beautiful flower shape. Center part is made with single crochet stitch, and other part is having double crochet and half double crochet stitches as well, and especially this one as well. So I also like all of these designs. So you can just let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing many of these tutorial videos as well, because I also upload crochet tutorial videos here on my channel other than ideas videos of different handmade products. So you will find macrame stuff ideas, crochet stuff ideas, hand knitted projects ideas. You will find crafting related ideas on my channel as well. And I upload two categories of contents on my channel. One is related to home decoration, and other one is related to wearable accessories of women and kids. So you will find huge collections and ideas videos of different types of these stuffs. So stay connected to get them all, and just do let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing any specific tutorial video other than these kinds of coasters which is not available on my channel. I will make tutorial videos on on your request. So don't forget to share your opinion, and just do subscribe to my channel if you love these contents of crochet work related to home decorations and wearable accessories of women and kids, and press the red subscribe button. After that, press the bell icon and all option as well to get notifications of every future upload from this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.